In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Expensify. It's a straightforward process, but having a step-by-step guide can really make it easier, especially if you're new to the platform or you just need a little refresher. So let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is access your Expensify workspace. You can do this by logging into your account and navigating to your workspace's overview page. Once you're there, look for the Account option. This step sets the stage for all the changes we're about to make, and it ensures you're in the right spot to personalize your settings. Now, you're going to want to click on Account. It's usually pretty easy to find and definitely where you want to be to access those personal settings. Next, focus your attention on the Preferences tab. This is where most of your customization options for Expensify reside, and you'll find it's filled with various settings you can tweak to better suit your needs. Once you've clicked into Preferences, you'll see an option for payment currency. This is where the magic happens. By clicking on Payment Currency, a drop-down menu will appear with a list of currency options available on the platform. Take a moment to look through them. It's a pretty comprehensive list, accommodating many of the major currencies used globally, which is great for international users or those dealing with multiple currencies. Scrolling through the drop-down, choose the currency that you most frequently use or prefer for your financial management. This will be the currency the system defaults to when you're working with expenses and reports. It's important to choose the one that makes the most sense for your transactions and bookkeeping. For demonstration purposes in this video, I'll be selecting USD, but of course, your choice might be different based on your specific requirements. And that's it! You've successfully changed your currency in Expensify. The steps are simple, but this little change can make a big difference in how you interact with your financial data in the app. Remember, it's all about customizing Expensify to better suit your workflow and financial strategy. Whether you're managing personal finances or overseeing company expenses, having the right currency setting can streamline your processes and minimize any potential confusion. Thanks for following along with me today. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now more comfortable making changes to your Expensify settings. If you still have questions or would like to see more tutorials like this, feel free to reach out. Happy Expensifying!